Hi, I'm Anup, and today we are discussing about the how Nike commitment to sustainable innovation and the UN Sustainability Development Goals, and why Nike prioritized to focus on SDG 12, which is a dedicated production and consumption. And here, this is the agenda, which I will include agenda what I describe in this presentation. This is like an introduction and overview of Nike and UN SDGs, justification of Nike's commitment to SDG 12, and how suggestion for implementation SDG 12, and conclusion and referencing. Here is the introduction of Nike. Nike is founded in 1964 by Phil Knight and Bill Bowerman. Its first name is Blue Ribbon Sports, and it has a different significance innovations such as Finlit and air technology. It has many influential advertising campaigns and celebrity support like Serena Williams and Michael Jordan. And its social responsibility is a dedication to ethical and sustainable behavior. Next slide is overview of Nike and UN SDGs, which is Goal 8 Decent Work and Economic Growth. Nike is dedicated to ethical labor standard, guaranteeing secure workplace and equitable compensation across its supply chain. The business offers chance for talent development and encourage employee and empowerment. And the another goal number is 12, which is responsible consumption and production. Nike prioritize cutting waste and sourcing material sustainability and enhancing product longevity. The business encourages recycling and material reuse as a part of circular economy. Another goal is 13, which is climate action. By switching to renewable energy, increasing energy efficiency, and lowering greenhouse gas emission, Nike is actively attempting to lessen its carbon footprint. And another last one is goal 15, which is life on land. The business support efforts to preserve forest and biodiversity and its dedication to obtaining materials like cotton and leather sustainability. And another slide is defined justification for Nike commitment to SDG 12. First number is consumer trust and brand reputation. Is a ethical consumption, comply with a consumer demand for environmentally friendly brands, and another is accountability and transparency, which is establish confidence by being a fortnight about the sustainable initiatives. Second is cost cutting and resource efficiency, which is circular economic. Circular economy it means to utilize upcycling and recycling to cut expenses and waste. And another one is effective supply chain, which is to reduce cost and decrease environmental effect by streamlining processes. And third one is risk mitigation and regulatory compliance, changing a regulation, take a protective measure to handle regulatory changes to prevent fine and harm your reputation. Another one is competitive advantages and innovation, which is sustainable innovation create cutting edge good and producers that lessen their negative effect on different environment, and future proofing the company set up Nike for sustained prosperity in environmentally friendly future. And the another slide is suggestion for implementing SDG 12 for Nike. Quicken the shift to circular economy by growing recycling program. Nike recycling initiatives should be expanded in size and reach to encourage customers to return unwanted goods for recycling and repurposing. And another one is invest in innovation to development cutting edge recycling technology and produce good with a longer lifespan and keep funding research and development. And another one is encourage product longevity. Create a long lasting repairable items to cut down on the frequency of replacement. And second one is strengthen sustainability of the supply chain, which is tougher supplier standard, put in place more stronger social and environmental guidelines for suppliers such as a demand for energy efficiency, water conservation and ethical labor practices. Another one is traceability and transparency to detect and manage social and environmental risks, increase traceability across the supply chain, and last one is collaborating partnership. Establish sustainable sourcing method in conjunction with suppliers and industry partners and reduce carbon emissions. This recommendation helps to increase more sustainable in a Nike, which is helps for Nike. At last, it here we are discussing about conclusion. As a major player in the esports sector worldwide, Nike has a big chance to help create a more sustainable future. The brand pay promote a good change in the fashion industry and encourage others to do the same by actively adopting SDG 12. Also, Nike can concentrate its effort in the following important areas, which is first one is circular economic uh, to using recycling, upcycling, and longer product lifespans to hasten the shift to a circular economy and sustainability of the supply chain, improving environmental impact reduction and ethical resources and supply chain transparency. And next one is investing in R&D to product sustainable materials and cut down on chemical using known as a material innovation, which is to prevent different sustainable to help in Nike and encouraging ethical product it means to users and educating consumers about sustainable consumption are to expect consumer empowerment. And last one is climate action, which is cutting of greenhouse gas emission by using energy efficient technology and renewable emissions. And also it helps to sustainable uh, for the Nike. It is very good for Nike as well. And at the end of the slide here is the reference which is a for research and found in Nike website. And another is United Nations Sustainability Development Goals, which is found in different website and Google Scholars, and it is a reference. And thank you for my presentation. Uh, this is that much for today, and hope you will understand it. And thank you so much.